guys, welcome back to Cooking at Pam's Place. I'm Chef Pam and we're getting ready to make fresh, creamy corn salad. Oh my goodness, it's so tasty, it's light, it's refreshing. Oh my goodness, and the flavors, they just gel. It's just amazing, okay? It's just amazing. And if you want to learn how to make all kind of homemade food and dishes, easy, simple, made from scratch, take a second and subscribe to the channel. Make sure you turn on that notification bell so you won't miss anything. And then just keep hanging around because I have a whole channel full of recipes that'll get you there. Let's get busy. Time to go over our ingredients. The star of the dish is corn. We are going to be using 4 ears of corn. I will have all the ingredients and instructions down in the description so you guys can make it too. We're going to need a little mayo, grape tomatoes, red onion, lemon, cucumber, garlic powder, onion powder, pepper, honey, white wine vinegar, and some olive oil. Few more things may go in here. We'll get to those as we go along. Okay, guys, let's go ahead and get this fresh, creamy corn salad made. Okay, I am using fresh corn today. By all means, you can use canned corn or frozen corn. But if you want that real fresh taste, you need to use fresh corn. Now, I'm going to go ahead and shuck this corn, get this off of here, and go ahead and prepare my corn. Now, if you want to know exactly how I prepare my corn, I've got another corn video on exactly how I'll be boiling this corn, and I'll link it at the end of this description. I'll put it in the description and link it at the end of the video. So I'm going to go ahead and get my corn done and I'll be back. While our corn is cooking and cooling, you want to go ahead and prepare your vegetables, cut them up. Try to cut them as uniform as possible. You also don't want your corn to cook more than about 3 or 4 minutes. Otherwise, you won't have that real freshness in there. So we're going to let that cook and we're going to get everything cut up. Our corn is all done. Now we need to get it off of here, and you can just simply take your corn and go straight down the ear like this. That's how you want to get your corn off. So I'm going to go ahead and take all this corn off the ears. And we'll be right back. Okay, so now we have all our veggies and our corn prepared. We are going to actually put this in this bowl right here. Then we're going to make our sauce. So you just want to put everything in the bowl. Now for our dressing, for our fresh corn salad, we want to go in with some olive oil. Go in with a little mayo. White wine vinegar. Lemon juice. Go in with a little honey. Garlic powder. And you can use fresh crushed garlic if you like. A little salt. And black pepper. We're just going to blend this up. And that's all to it. Okay. Set this aside. Bring our salad back over. And we just want to pour and mix. Oh my goodness, it smells amazing. Delicious. And guys, as summer approaches, this is a good salad to go with a cookout. Yes, it is. Now you can put more dressing on yours if you like. You can put less dressing. If you don't want a creamy dressing, then don't add the mayo in. Use all the other ingredients, but leave out the mayo. I like mine a little bit creamier. And doesn't this look amazing? Oh my goodness. Thank you all so much for coming and hanging out with me today. I really do appreciate each and every one of you guys. And I will see you next time. The good Lord willing and the creek don't rise.